With AI being used more and more, particularly by the public, and it's available to people around the world, questions have been asked about how it's going to be used. Is it going to be used for the right reasons? Also about issues regarding people's uh, social media posts and things like this, because um, some people have said that AI will be trained using social media posts, so people are worried on their social media posts going to be used. And now we have news, and this is from the ITV. Meta to use Instagram and Facebook posts for AI training in the UK. Meta said on Friday that it will push ahead with controversial plans to use millions of UK Facebook and Instagram posts to train its artificial intelligence technology starting from next week. Mark Zuckerberg's company said it will use public posts, including photos, captions, and comments, to build its generative AI to reflect British culture, history, and idiom. The content will not include private messages or information from the accounts of users under the age of 18. This means that our generative AI models will reflect British culture, history, and idiom, and that UK companies and institutions will be able to utilize the latest technology, Meta said in a statement. And I guess this is, you could say in a way that it's using posts of people, and, but on the other hand, it's using posts that are public anyway. So not just uh, Meta using it to train AI. Anybody could potentially take your content because it's public. So if you didn't want it to be in that case or have that possibility, then you wouldn't make it public. Also, it's not for under 18s, and your messages and stuff like that aren't taken. Um, so and also you're being able to freely have your content on their servers. So if you didn't want it to be used, then you wouldn't have it in public. I believe there is a way to opt out, but even if there wasn't, or if there isn't, then you can just make your account not public. Um, Also, I'm sure people wouldn't post things publicly that they wouldn't want, um, that they would feel AI shouldn't be trained on. So, of course, there's still questions about why um, Meta wants to use your posts, but then again, why are you um, leaving it for the public to see? Um, and I feel like as AI is used more and it's available to more people, and then there'll be more regulations created, and I'm sure we'll have a better understanding of things like this and other things that affect the public. At the moment, it's in the early stages, but I don't feel this is too much of a uh, uh, issue because, like I said before, and I'll say again, it's using things that are already in the public. So you decided to put it in the public, and if you didn't put it there, then it wouldn't be used, and you can easily make your account private and also opt out. So I guess this is for the benefit to train AI, and um, if it's not going to use um, real social media posts and from real people, then and it goes to use fake posts to train, then it's not going to get real life um, real scenarios to understand it. And then when we deal with AI, it's going to give us automated responses which we don't understand because of being trained by fake posts. But here, because we're saying it's going to be uh, trained using real posts, maybe you'd hope that it uh, be able to interact in a more real and human way. Hopefully, it doesn't cause issues like people are saying. I think it's just gonna uh, trade using posts, but it's not gonna really affect the people who posted or anything like that.